wouldn't be backstabbing your conservative brothers in the back. You're a weak Republican. You're a Murkowski Republican, is what you are. That's what you are. Now, I just went to the...
This is the Court Martial of StLosta. He is Court Martial number 20. Yes, Court Martial 20. Court Martial number 20.
Those rooms that you're talking about, those are weak Republican rooms.
Court Martial number 20 is up. It's taking place in two-way street politics right now. Two-way street politics right there. You'll see it. Owner is S-Link. We have over 59 people in the room.
So anyways, I went to the commie website and want to give kudos to Glenn Beck for bringing this to everybody's attention. And let me, you know what, I'm sure it's probably too confusing for you libtards. So I'll just go ahead and copy this and send it over to you. And then you can go to the commie website yourself, which most of you probably are members of, and you can look at the commie groups that are going to go to this rally. SEIU, Union Commies, Rainbow Push Coalition, Black Commies, a National Council of La Raza, Racist Latin Commies, NAACP.
You'll see StLosta in the list. StLosta is down there. This court martial is happening. It is happening in the two-way street politics.
List of communist organizations who are going to this meeting. And listen, we know the nature of communism. Anybody who's over 12 years old remembers having to sit under your desk for fear that the commies were going to nuke us, having to deal with the kind of nonsense, the oppression and tyranny that millions died, 150 million people died under communism, and anybody who would stand at a rally next to a filthy commie is a commie and is dirt, as far as I'm concerned.
4 charges on StLosta, lying on Paltalk, being a falsie, yes, being a falsie.
They are, as Mod calls, Homo Satanists.
Supporting and being a cornholer. And they are Homo Satanists, yes.
Thank you, Liberal. What's all this talk about court martial or courts martial, which might be the more proper thing? What is, this is not the military. No one here has the fear of being court-martialed. We're not under military law. And none of us
that's too bad, George. You lose this debate. You're a libtard. You're Associated Progressive, and you have no point on this. And you will be court-martialed soon, too, if you keep opening your mouth like that.
Now, when I was here, I got an Article 15 drunk and disorderly.
Well, you were an idiot for getting an Article 15 for being drunk and disorderly. You were a plus-tard like you are now.
Oh, I think you're wrong, George. Welcome to Court Martial number 18, right here live in the two-way street politics room. This is the non-falsies versus StLosta. We've been waiting to nail him for some time. George, you're dreadfully wrong. We have 4 charges on Mr. StLosta, or Ms. That would be 1, supporting and being a cornholer. 2, lying on Paltalk. 3 would be, let's see the list of charges here. Being a falsie. 4 is disrespecting Paltalk legends, such as the assigned mod and myself. I'm sure we can add more charges. Your Honor, we are asking for the full extent of the punishment, including banishment. I turn it over to you.
Yeah, I can't let this one go. He earned it. He actually earned it, and he is actually Paltalk Court Martial number 20. It'll be uploaded here soon. And StLosta, there you go. Your little commentary of lying in the room. Right there. Mod and Great One are queers for each other. That's a lie. And as such, you are indeed court-martialed today, and you are a great Homo Satanist, and you will be forever memorized as one of those who got nailed on Paltalk. Right here in two-way street politics, a libtard haven and sanctuary room on Paltalk. Yes, and I have to release the microphone to Liberal Bullshit Filter. I'm sure he has something he wants to say, too. Oh, yes, it is recorded.
Oh, yes.
He jumped, and he's red-dotted.
You need to stop jumping the mic, STL, and we need to get off the little game here of the court-martial crap. And if it doesn't stop, well, you need to find a way to stop, won't you? Or a way will be found for you. Liberal BS, your hand is up. If you want the mic, you can have it now. Welcome to Two-Way Street Politics. That's the room you're in at present. If you made a mistake and entered here incorrectly, feel free to stick around. But you are now in Two-Way Street Politics. The mic's open.
It's actually one-way street politics, and it is noted for accepting cornholers and libtards.
We used to do those court martials. They were kind of fun, actually. I had some clips of people being shot at a firing squad and somebody being hanged. Actually, kind of fun, actually. Anyways, douchebag made this statement about the Beck rally being a fascist rally, and this is the mind of a This is the mind of a leftist. What did they do at the Beck rally? Well, they honored God. That's very fascist. They honored some American heroes. They honored the principles that America was founded on. That's very fascist. Martin Luther King's niece, who is a doctor in her own right, a PhD, knew the life of her uncle and what he stood for and who he was as a religious man. And she honored him and talked about him and what he did. And to the twisted satanic mind of a liberal is fascism. Okay? Now, what are they going to do at the commie rally this weekend?